Unreal Engine 5 versus Frostbite. Choosing the best game engine can completely change how you create immersive games without struggling with limitations. We will look at Unreal Engine 5's versatility and Frostbite's power in game development. Unreal Engine 5 and Frostbite are two leading game engines, each with unique strengths. Unreal Engine 5 focuses on flexibility and wide accessibility, while Frostbite is known for its high-end graphics and physics, primarily powering AAA titles. The core difference lies in their design goals and user base. Unreal Engine 5, developed by Epic Games, is a highly versatile game engine designed for a broad range of developers, from indie creators to AAA studios. It works by providing advanced tools like nanite virtualized geometry and lumen global illumination, enabling realistic environments and dynamic lighting. Strengths include its user-friendly blueprint visual scripting system, extensive asset marketplace, and cross-platform support, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and diverse game genres. However, its flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve for beginners aiming to master its full capabilities. Unreal Engine 5 is perfect for teams and individuals who want creative freedom, high-quality visuals, and a robust ecosystem that supports both small and large projects. It also supports open development and frequent updates, ensuring cutting-edge features. The engine's limitations mainly involve hardware demands for the most advanced features, which can challenge developers targeting lower-end platforms. Frostbite, created by EA Digital Illusions CE, is a powerful proprietary game engine primarily used in EA's AAA titles like Battlefield and FIFA. It operates with a strong focus on photorealistic graphics, detailed physics simulations, and large-scale environments. Frostbite excels in delivering high-fidelity visuals and complex destruction mechanics, making it a go-to for studios aiming for immersive, realistic gameplay. Its strengths lie in optimized rendering pipelines and tight integration with EA's development tools. However, Frostbite is less accessible to external developers due to its closed nature and limited documentation. It requires significant technical expertise and resources to harness effectively. Frostbite's ideal user is large development teams with deep experience and specific needs for advanced graphics and physics in high-budget projects. Its limitations include less flexibility for smaller or indie studios and a steeper barrier to entry compared to more open engines. Overall, it's tailored for high-end production environments rather than broad accessibility. Comparing Unreal Engine 5 and Frostbite highlights their distinct roles. Unreal Engine 5 suits developers who value flexibility, accessibility, and a rich ecosystem, supporting everything from indie games to large-scale projects across multiple platforms. It enables fast iteration with blueprint scripting and offers a vast marketplace for assets. Frostbite, in contrast, is specialized for high-end AAA games, delivering unmatched graphical fidelity and physics, but demands experienced teams and is less accessible for outsiders. For example, a small studio aiming for cross-platform release and rapid prototyping will benefit more from Unreal Engine 5. Meanwhile, a large studio focused on photorealistic shooters or sports games with intricate physics will find Frostbite's capabilities essential. The trade-off is between openness and ease of use versus specialized power and exclusivity. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for developers seeking versatility, cross-platform support, and a strong community, ideal for projects of any scale and genre. Frostbite is best for experienced AAA studios focused on cutting-edge visuals and physics in large-scale productions. Choose Frostbite if your priority is high-fidelity realism and you have the resources to leverage its specialized capabilities. Both engines excel when matched to the right project,